What is up, guys? So I've been thinking a lot about this channel and the content that I'm producing. Today's video is just going to be a talking head video. There's a few things that I just want to get off my chest and address to you, my audience. I've caught myself recently coming up with a few video ideas. I'll come up with an idea, and then immediately after I've come up with that idea, I'll begin to question myself. Is that content that belongs on my channel? Is that content that fits on my channel? And I've allowed myself to talk myself out of doing a few videos because I feel like it wouldn't fit under the name Unbox Hysteria. It's not an unboxing video. And I feel like that is a humongous error. I'm getting into YouTube because of my passion and my enjoyment that I get out of creating films. Going through that creative process, I find a lot of joy out of creating these videos. And I think you, as my audience, can agree there has been a transition in my videos from the very first few that I posted to the recent videos. There's been this transition and almost a drop off in my creativity. I've been placing limits on myself and my creativity and what I'm willing to do on this channel because it doesn't fit. So right now I am declaring to you, my audience, and I want to encourage you to do the same. I know a lot of you are probably filmmakers yourselves. Some of you are maybe wanting to get into YouTube as well. Don't let yourself place those limits on anything. If you have an idea, run with it. The name of your channel is ultimately just a name, and people are going to go to your channel from what you're creating because they enjoy what you're creating. So don't place limits on yourself, and don't say that you can't go make a video because it doesn't fit. The content of your channel is ultimately what you decide it to be. So if you have an idea, get out there and create it. That being said, I've got a lot of ideas that I've been mulling over that I'm probably gonna be releasing those soon. I really want to get your feedback. Let me know if you enjoy the videos that come out here going forward. The first one will probably be next Tuesday. Unbox Hysteria is just a name, and it is a good name that I feel like has some flexibility there with what the content of this channel is. So just wanted to get that off my chest. Don't place limits on yourself. Get out there, create what you want to create. Ultimately, I'm on here to have fun in the creative process, to enjoy making films, and to have a platform in which I can continue to do so. So moving forward, I'm excited. We're getting so much closer to summer. We have about 2.5 weeks left, and then I am just 100% focused on creating over the summer. I'm super excited. That's it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're excited about the future. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys